Hello there, and welcome to another lesson. Let's take a look at how to generate the other financial reports in Build. To do this, kindly click on Reports on the dashboard menu. Now, aside the accounting reports, there are various reports that you can also generate in Build. In the subsequent lesson, we realized that we could view our tax reports, our customer reports, supplier reports, product or services reports, and the other reports. Under the tax reports, we have the goods and services tax report and the withholding tax report. So if you are based in Ghana and you are eligible to charge the VAT flat and VAT standard sales taxes, once you apply them on any transaction that you enter in Build, you can get a report on that. So if you want a report on goods and services tax, you kindly click on that and then you filter for the time period that you want this report. So assuming we want this report for the month of October, once we filter, we'll be able to get the report showing us a computation of each of the primary taxes that have been applied and the main VAT standard calculation or computation as well. When you scroll down, you get to see your total balances as well. Let's take a look at the withholding tax report too as well. So if there are any withholding taxes that you've applied so far on your transactions, you'll be able to view or have a report on them. With the customer reports, we have income by customers and the agent reports, same for the supplier reports, expenses by suppliers and the agent payables. So if you want to know who your high paying clients are or how much your customers are contributing to your total sales revenue, you can generate a report on them. Also, if sales were made to these customers on credit terms and they have delayed or faulted in payments, you can also generate a report on that at the agent receivables section. Now, with the products or services reports, we have the income by products or services and then the income by item categories. So if you want to know which of your products is earning you the highest revenue or which your customers are purchasing the most, you can actually have or generate a report on that. And lastly, with the other reports, we have the trial balance, we have the general ledger, and then the exchange gains or losses. So you can also generate a report on that. And with all these forms of reports, you can either download them in an Excel format, a PDF format, or download a hard copy version of it. That would bring us to the end of this lesson. Stay tuned for other lessons.